Ciao amici, ciao! As I messed everything in my original video, I am doing a voiceover for this very quick tutorial. I am deciding what kind of closure I want on my waterfall cards, and I've decided for two very simple buttons. They are just plain white buttons that I am attaching on the paper itself, and I am just making a little some few layers for the button on the bottom because I don't want the thread to attach in a bad way. And now I am sewing, hand sewing the buttons, and I am going afterwards to glue the buttons on the papers, but I am eyeballing the line that I need to align the buttons. And yeah, I can eyeball it, simply eyeball. I'm not taking measures, and I'm seeing if the thread is long enough. Now I am putting some glue on the buttons and trying to make it stick very well to the flip of the card, because this is where I am pulling the thread from. Then I am gluing the other button on the papers, and it's going to be a little bit complicated because there is lace there, so I'm not attaching it right to the paper, so I have to try that a couple of times before it really sticks down. And then I decided to really sew the button on the flap because I want to be more sure that it's not going to move, because I don't trust glue in this case very much. So I am fixing the thread, and yes, it works. It seems that it works very well, and now I want to find a little embellishment, a dangle for the thread, and I found this beautiful kind of rose clock metal thing that I am struggling to attach to the thread, and voila, it's made.